Hello and welcome to The Internet Chronicles. This channel covers all aspects of the online world, including digital e-business and e-marketing, social media marketing, online jobs, and everything in between. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you're in the right place. We believe that the internet is a vast and untamed frontier, full of endless possibilities. And our goal is to help you explore it. From the latest digital trends and marketing strategies, to tips and tricks for starting an online business, we're committed to bringing you the best and most up-to-date information on all things digital. Our goal is to make this information accessible and easy to understand, so that you can start putting it into action right away. But it's not just about us. We want to hear from you too. Whether you have a question, a suggestion, or just want to share your own story, we're here to listen. We're building a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about the internet and its potential. And we want you to be a part of it. So that's a quick look at what you can expect from The Internet Chronicles. We're just getting started, and we can't wait to explore this digital world with you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. And don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. See you in the next one.